I got this iPhone from the 3 store. You can see a glare in the iPhone 4 glass, which is not good because of the Gorilla Glass. In the box comes the socket, the charger wire, the headphones, and the charger wire again. The fingertips as usual. The SIM card holder is on the side of the iPhone 4, but it used to be on the top on the iPhone 3GS. And of course, the stickers. The 960 by 640 backlit LCD display boasts a pixel density of 326 pixels per inch, making it the highest resolution phone ever. Each pixel is only 78 micrometers across. The stainless steel band is 5 times stronger than steel. Unlike the last iPhone, the volume buttons are separate. It has a front and back camera. There's the front. And it also has a 5 times zoom, as you can see now. The front camera is capable of filming in 480p, the back camera 1080p HD. You can click on the links to view the actual quality in the RAW file. The front camera can shoot 5 megapixel pictures. Thanks for watching, and comment, rate and subscribe. And please watch our next unboxing.